Hi everyone! In this video, I'd like to introduce you to a story using a cat's cradle figure. I'm going to use my handmade cat's cradle string loop, and you can make one if you would like. The link is in the description box below, and here is how the story goes. In a small country, there was a beautiful place in nature. There was a river running through it, and over the river there was a bridge. Because it was far from big cities, we could see beautiful shooting stars at night. The place was surrounded by mountains, and during winter, we could enjoy sledding. It was also a very special place where we could see rare butterflies and bugs. Well, this is a story I made up, but you can create your own story using some cat's cradle figures you know. I thought it would be interesting to learn and make stories with cat's cradle and share them with your family and friends this holiday season. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of the year.